Let's travel back to December 10th, 1962, just days before Christmas. In Stockholm, under the glittering lights of a grand ceremony, King Gustav VI Adolf of Sweden awarded the Nobel Peace Prize to three legendary scientists, Francis Crick, James Watson, and Maurice Wilkins. Their breakthrough, the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA in 1953, revolutionized science. This moment marked the unraveling of the genetic code, the very blueprint of life. Their work laid the foundation for advances in molecular biology, from vaccine development to cancer treatment. The world celebrated, not realizing that the roots of this discovery might reach back thousands of years, even to the pages of the Bible. Could ancient texts have hinted at molecular genetics long before science caught up? To grasp the magnitude of Crick and Watson's discovery, let's break down what DNA and chromosomes really are. Imagine your body as a computer. The chromosomes are like hard drives, storing all the essential data. Each human has 46 chromosomes, arranged in 23 pairs. These pairs carry the instructions for everything, from your eye color to your metabolism. The 23rd pair is especially important. It determines biological gender. Females have 2 X chromosomes, while males have 1 X and 1 Y. During reproduction, half of these chromosomes come from each parent, blending together to create a unique individual. But here's the twist. Only males carry both the X and Y chromosomes, a fact that echoes a fascinating detail found in ancient scripture. The discovery that only males possess both the male, Y and female, X chromosomes was first made in the 19th century, but the Hebrew Bible may have alluded to this concept over 3,000 years ago. In Genesis, 2 accounts of human creation appear, one where male and female are created together, and another where woman is formed from man. Theologians have debated these passages for centuries, some proposing the multiple creation theory. But when viewed through the lens of molecular biology, these verses take on new meaning. The idea that Adam contained both male and female within himself mirrors the genetic reality that men carry both X and Y chromosomes. The Bible's language, though ancient, seems to hint at a truth only recently uncovered by science. So, what does this all mean? When we look at the intersection of molecular biology and the biblical creation story, we find a remarkable convergence. The ancient text's description of Adam containing both male and female aligns with the modern understanding of chromosomes. This suggests that the Bible may have encoded scientific truths long before they were formally discovered. It's a powerful reminder that science and faith, often seen as separate, can sometimes illuminate each other in unexpected ways. As we continue to explore the mysteries of life, who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered in the pages of history and scripture? Stay tuned for more fascinating journeys where science meets the Bible.